Are your plans to move on hold because of today's mortgage rates? I get it. I've got some great market insight for you coming up. Welcome. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker here in Clearwater, Florida. Remember the 3 rules of real estate: location, location, location. We've added 3 rules of our own: honesty, integrity, and passion. We love the Florida Suncoast and have over 20 years experience buying and selling from Sarasota to Clearwater and everything in between. Please subscribe to the channel below if you want to get to know the market. That's a great way to get your best deal. Now, back to our question. Are your plans to move on hold because of today's mortgage rates? I get it. And while mortgage rates today are lower than their 8% peak last fall, maybe you've got a specific number in your head you want to see before you will move. So, what's your magic number? What's the number that'll make you jump back in? Just so you know, rates dropped to 6 last week, and lenders have a 2-1-1 rate reduction program. Now, I wouldn't use it to buy a more expensive house, but to save money for the first 2 years on a house you can afford today. Then refinance anytime rates drop to save hundreds, maybe thousands every month. I'll be watching rates closely this year because I know they're on your mind and I want to help. Shoot me a message, tell me the rate you're waiting for, and I'll let you know when we get there. We will, trust me. If you're selling a home or even just thinking of selling, you can see your home's estimated value fast, free, and easy at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. If you're thinking about buying, see homes for sale right now on or near the beach at mrbeachhouse.com.